Hello, welcome back. Today we have got some really special guests.
Hello, my name is Dominic. My name is Mimi. The ingredients to make delicious banana cakes are...
They don't know what we're doing. We have to tell them what we're doing today. What are we doing?
We're making delicious banana cakes. The ingredients to make the banana cake are banana, 3 eggs, raisins, baking powder, a bit of hot oil, banana.
Not hot, just oil.
Oil, a flour, a bit of bananas, and chocolate.
Cinnamon.
And a bit of cinnamon.
Right,
yes. And flour.
Perfect.
And a blender.
And a blender. We do need a blender. So now listen up, guys.
Yes, we do need a blender.
Absolutely. First things first, I'm already preheating the oven at 180 degrees, okay? So I'm preheating for about 10 minutes. We're going to make sugar-free banana cupcakes, and they're really delicious. We have got the cupcake paper cases in there, all set up. And what we're going to do first... Raisins. First thing we're going to do is, Mimi, would you please... I'm going to list the ingredients in the description box because I think it's going to be better. Can you place the bananas in the blender cup, please?
Okay. Look, guys.
Perfect. Dum, can you put the oil very carefully in the blender cup?
Of course. And then you need oil and
we pour it into the cup.
Very careful.
Right, now, Dum, you're going to have to crack the eggs. Do you remember how to do that? You need lots of concentration because you don't want any shells in there. Go, quick. Well done. Now do the other two, please.
Okay.
That's it. Off we go. Great. Now one more, the last one. Don't worry about your hands because I have got some kitchen towel over there. All of it? All in? Fabulous. Can you get a kitchen towel, please? Just over there. Show everybody what a kitchen towel is. They might not know.
This is a kitchen towel. It's a bit like a napkin, but a bit big. So
but it's bigger than a napkin, isn't it? It's bigger.
Then we put 3 eggs in the blender.
3 eggs in the blender. Now, Mimi, you're going to do the raisins. Can you fill this cup with raisins, please? Fill it up. Fill it up means you're going to put you're going to put raisins in the cup until it's filled, all the way to the top. Keep going, Mimi.
So it's a bit full.
All of it in. Yes, it needs to be full. And the great thing is, guys, if you don't like raisins, those are raisins. If you don't like raisins, you cannot actually taste the raisins in the cupcake. And it tastes really delicious and really sweet, doesn't it? You can't...
But there's no sugar.
There's no sugar as such.
Is it healthy then?
Yes. And that's great. There you go. Okay, Mimi, we got enough. Can you put all the raisins in the blender cup, please? Careful, careful. That's my girl. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the lid on.
I want to do it.
Okay, and we're going to blend it up, okay, until all of the ingredients are nice and mixed in. All right, that's it. You've got it. Thank you. Just get the kitchen towel. That's why I placed them there, because I knew this would happen.
Mommy, no, stop.
What?
I'm going to clean it.
Oh, thank you. Very nice.
There you go.
Thank you. Right, so we're going to blend it up, guys.
Can I put it on?
Going to put it on? All right, come over here then. I'll hold Mimi. Come over here. This one, there you go. Much easier. He wants to blend it up, so let's go. All the way to number 4. Right, so we have now blended everything up in this cup. What we're going to do now is, Dum, can you put all of the bananas, if you don't want to get your hands dirty, you just do that. Put the bananas in here. We've got more bananas now, guys. Put the rest of the bananas in the bowl. That's it, all of it in. Make sure. Hold on a sec. Right, so now what we need to do is whole grain flour. Mimi, put it in. Let Mimi do this one. Go, Mimi. Great stuff. Now we need a bit more white flour, actually. So we mix whole grain with
Can I do
white.
that one?
Yeah, you're going to do it. Don't worry. Don't worry. Right. Dum-dum.
Yes, I know what I have to do.
Okay. So now we need a bit of cinnamon. Dum-dum, would you pass me the scissors, please?
Can I do the cinnamon?
Scissors over there, darling.
Can I do the cinnamon? Can I try?
Yeah?
I don't.
Okay. Do it. Hold it so you can do it. There you go. Those scissors are really big. Shall I help you? Yeah? Because those are really, really big scissors. Oh, that's the oven. I think it's already preheated. Hold on, darling. Let Mommy help you.
Okay, so let's put this in the oven.
No, not yet. Right. Mimi, hold the spoon. Be patient. Right. Hold the spoon, okay? Hold it. Cinnamon in that flour mixture. Off we go. Lovely. Now, thank you. Mommy needs to mix it in.
I'm good on this.
Okay, but this needs to be really gentle because of the bananas, okay?
But I love mixing.
I know, sweetheart. You're going to mix in a minute, don't
I'm
worry.
going to do it too.
No, we don't need 2 spoons.
Teamwork. Can I do it too with the banana?
Right, now we're going to, hold on. We're going to put the lovely mixture in here. So now you need to stop. You need to listen to the instructions. Pour it in, Dum Dum. Slowly, slowly. All of it.
And I lick the spoon. Please, Mommy, last time I licked and it was yummy to me.
You want to lick it? Okay, I'll tell you what. I'm going to let you lick the bowl when we're done. How about that?
Oh, with that spoon?
When we're done, okay?
Okay.
Promise?
Yes.
Right, so guys, now what we do is we mix it in gently. Mix it all in. Right, we just need a little bit of baking powder now. So that's all mixed in nicely. We're just going to put a little bit of baking powder in there.
Lick your finger.
No, crazy. Right, baking powder
You got
in.
delicious.
Now,
It's full of delicious powder.
right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put all of the mixture into the paper cases.
Can I do that?
I think that needs to be Mommy's job because it's a bit of a tricky one, this one.
But if I don't practice now, I'm never going to do it. Can I do it too? I have to practice.
You guys want to practice everything, I know, and that's great. But this one really needs to be Mommy's job, darlings, okay?
Oh, right.
So sorry, I know you're a bit frustrated. Right, so all of that goes in gently and neatly because we want it to be lovely.
Then can we have some?
We're going to bake it, right? We need to bake it, don't we?
Got a whole bowl to lick, right?
Right.
Is it going in the oven very soon?
Yeah, very soon.
In about 1 minute.
In about 3 minutes, I think.
2 minutes maybe.
Maybe 2, yeah.
Can we eat that bit?
Hold on,
That
Naomi.
what bit? This.
Naomi, just a minute, okay?
Can I do that one?
Just a sec. Remember we spoke about that. You were going to wait for Mommy to do it.
Why do you have to put all the mixture? All of them are full.
No, sweetie, they're not. Look. Look at that. It's going to be a tiny cupcake if we don't fill it up. Right, guys. Look. Everything is in. So that's going to go into the oven now at 180. And I'll show it to you guys when it's ready.
Yes.
You're going to eat the cake. What do you mean what you have to do? Crazy. Right. So,
Can I have the one of the big pink cake.
The cake is ready. Let me just tell people what happened, okay? It was in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, which one do you want?
I want this pink one.
That pink one. This one?
Yes.
The biggest one, basically.
This
right.
is my big.
Let me get one. Let me get one. I want one. Okay.
You want blue.
Yes.
So, because you made them so little, you can have this big one.
Oh, thank you. Let's eat. Everybody, crack on. Tuck in. That's it. That's it. You got it.
Hot.
Just hold it here. Tell me if it's good. Go, Mimi. Go, Mimi.
I have a bed ready. Let's eat this outside.
This is so good.
Let's eat this outside. That was my plan.
It's a good plan.
So let's go.
It's really good, guys. Look. Lovely. Really lovely.
You don't say anything.
Delicious.
You don't say anything about my plan. Eating outside.
Yeah, we can go outside. Let's go outside. See you later. I hope you've enjoyed this video and do make this recipe. It's a really lovely, easy cake to make, sugar-free and delicious, right? See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.